Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size in WhatsApp on Android. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Now, look at the top right of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the Chats option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Font Size option. Tap on it to view the 3 options there: small, medium, or large. Step 6. For the last and most important step, to increase the font size, select the large option, then tap OK. Your font size will increase instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.